Crikey, mate, we're at it again. Brad Baker, the bird rescuer. Oh, the birds love it. There's a few birds after us. They go, oh, Bradley, please help me. And I'm going to go inside, get my safari hat. This here is going to film. Can I get in, my lord? Sorry, bird, I'll be with you in a second, darling. You gotta love Mother Nature. She might not like you, but I don't fucking hate you. The butcher bird. I'll take you to the butcher shop. I'll give you a little lick on my pork chop. Oh, you can do. Your neighbours are walking past, like there is birds in need of rescuing. Where's my safari hat, these? Oh, you know where my stuff is. There we go. Yep, tip my sunnies out. All good. Can't be too shady in the afternoon, honey. Daddy B got the honey. Let's see what we can find. Welcome back to Bum Hunter. Mate, nah, I was right the first time. It's very, you know, one side. Come on, mate, you're the cameraman. I'm the cameraman. This is Blood Diamond. I'm the cameraman. Cameraman. Do you want your son back or not? I'm like, mate, you don't fucking find that diamond. You don't give a fuck about it. Anyway, welcome back to Loki, the king of the pirates. You ready? No, don't pull. Yeah. No, get ready. Pull your jumper up, but you just don't press any buttons. You always do this. Your fingers are in the way. Chris, I'm looking at the camera. Just look at me.
Yeah.
Wait, what you can see in front of the camera is touching it. Why do you have to hold it like that? Look, one hand like that. Look at the way I hold it. One hand.
Okay. Yeah.
It's not. Wait, this isn't a test. You've got two fucking hands, and I said hold it with one hand. Just like that. Now, can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you just wait until I'm ready to go? So you have to go action.
Okay. Lights, camera, action.
Alright. There's an argument downstairs, and this poor bird is having the time of its life getting away from the weather. Hello, darling. You alright? It's alright, darling. It's okay. Come on. Come on, mate. Come on. Daddy's not gonna hurt you.
Gently.
Hey?
Very wise to be gentle.
Yeah, I know. I am Steve Irwin, and you're Terry Irwin.
Cameraman.
Crikey, Steve. Crikey.
Cameraman.
It's alright, darling.
Fucking right.
Oh, don't do it. Come on, beautiful. Alright, come on, Chris. Follow my lord. Wait, we're on safari. Let me put this back in.
It's got the bird.
Her heart's beating. Mate, I don't want to take her breath away. It's okay, darling. It's okay, darling. Say hello.
Look at him, mate. Look at him. He's cute.
God's on a mission.
Release
Here he comes to save the day.
Animals from captivity.
Nah, that's what I thought too.
Where's Dan?
There's a few birds after me, but I don't know where Jan is.
Well,
Oh, but I'm saving another bird. Kiss, John. Look,
oh,
saving another bird.
another one.
Another one bites
Oh,
the
there
dust.
she is. Dan.
Well, Jan, there's a couple of birds after us, but I said I don't know where Jan is. I don't know, but I was actually saving a bird at the same time.
A bird?
Yeah.
Oh, did that one get in?
You silly bugger.
Oh, God.
Ready? No, no, pretty.
Cool. Saved him. Saved.
No, it's just
saved your life.
it's a good feeling. Did you film my sexy ass, did you?
I didn't think I got the release of the bird.
You didn't get the release, but we don't need the release. We just wanted it to be part of the Middle East. No, I don't care. No, but was that funny or what?
Yeah, and I don't have my bag.
You don't have your bag. What about your ball bag? Mate, you're going to need a ball bag. You're going to have balls. Mate, E.T. had an extra testicle, right? But I didn't say to him, pull your nuts out. Oh, mate, I'm king of the fucking pirates, alright? Yeah, you better remember it, mate. Nothing. No, there's this cartoon called One Piece. He wears a hat like this and he goes, I want to be king of the pirates. I was just letting you know who the fuck the king is. Nah, but oi, I'm just saving a bird, guys. Oi, tell your daughter I'm a bird buddy master. Jimbo.
You should get a job at the RSPCA.
Mate, all I want is blow jobs, rim jobs, and hand jobs, alright? Oh, mate, what about a bloody, what's it called? A handbrake. No, that's not a job. Just round the corner. Bop, 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 bop. Oh, we going for Tokyo Drift in Cornwall or what?
Yeah, take it.
Can we borrow the car?
Take it for a spin.
Yeah, we're just going to go around the corner sideways. We'll be over back in one piece.
Mate, Jimbo.
He's got a license to kill. No, I was saying that me and Chris have one. Wink. Nah, alright, see you when we get back.
Yeah.
Alright, welcome back to Bradley, the bird-saving kangaroo man. Which side is the hat? The front, that one. Alright, welcome back. Come on, Chris, I'm the bum hunter. And, actually, reframe, I'm the cunt hunter. Yeah, I like a bit of front bum, hunting cunt. Yeah, the safari, cunt hunting. Oh, no, I want to film our adventure. Let's continue. So we just rescued wildlife on the way out of the house, and this is just, the start of the walk to the shops. So usually, oi, what's that over there? R2D2. Where have you been, mate? Boop, 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 beep, beep, boop. You'll be right. It's just about to rain, but his circuits will get through it. Anyway, it's a nice windy and rainy, it's the perfect weather for shorts, thongs, and a shirt. Oh,
I'm dressed up.
he's dressed up. Oh, where are you going? Meet the fucking the love of your life, eh? I'm going to ruin it for you. Well, what if she sees this sexy ass? She'd be like, mate, I want to marry that guy. I'm just your local lovable larrikin. That's all else. Your local lovable larrikin, the Coramal Crypt Commander. Wait, 4Cs now. I'm the only 4C, can they? Look. Coramal Crypt Car Commander. Coramal Crypt Commander car. Yeah. I'm the fucking crippled, Coramal commanding, capable, cape-wearing crusader. Look at this sign. It says no humping. What is this? What type of job title would that be if you're like a screw in a jail and you can't even screw the inmates? How are you going to get into her, mate? I said, mate, well, she's not an inmate. She's a screw, or is she bloody I don't know. I thought her job title was screwing. So, well, that screwed me out of going back to jail. Good. Got a few loose fucking nuts in my ass. I bought what? I said I've got a few fucking screws loose. Just smelly farts. G'day, mate. Just your local bird buddy enthusiast. No, I just saved like a butcher bird flying into the window. It happens all the time over there. Yeah, I've got like a viral video that like saving a kookaburra. Yeah, it's a baby one too. He was laughing at me, but I still let him go. Oh, and we had Alan the owl in the tree. We love our wildlife around here.
See you, mate.
See you, brother. Have a good one. And then over here we've got the sign, the free eggs. No, it's a beautiful little sign. I like that. Free eggs. That's what come first, the chicken or the egg? I thought the bloody the farmer was coming first.
Oh.
Like, yeah, because he was in a race. The fucking, the human race.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I don't know the chickens are even in the race, mate. But they are crossing roads at like alarming speeds. No one knows really why they're doing it. But you know what? I saw that hen cross the road and I saw a fucking, she saw a nice handsome cock on the other side and I reckon that's why she went for it. She's like, I'm not letting that cock get away. Anyway. Most people are just like, oh, cock-a-doodle-doo. I was like, what's that? And she goes, any cock will do. Welcome back to Comedy with Brad Baker. I'm not the king of the pirates. Unless the pirates are land pirates, or they are pirates of the, what's it called, when you used to go to the films and then you film the whole fucking movie. Piracy. Yeah, some type of video piracy. Yeah, no, the times of, Captain Cook changed me when I got off the Endeavour. I've never been the same since I got off the plane from NZ, have I? Museum. I was in a museum. Oh, NZ. Mate, yeah, Dragon Ball Z. I was like, Dragon, Wolf the Dragon Ball Z. Yeah, what'd you say? It's pretty shit. Have you ever seen it? Yeah, oh, you have now. Alright, who are the characters? You told me you didn't know them all. Who's Krillin? What's Krillin's name? It's Krillin, you fuckwit. No, but we get him confused with the 6th Dragon Ball all the time. I'm like, there it is there. Oh, you're bald head again, Krillin. 6 little freckles. I said, mate, you should stop being so good at karate, getting your little freckle head in the way, because we thought that your head was the same as the 6th Dragon Ball. Oh, and here comes a car, and that's what I was wishing for from the dragon, is it to show up in a car. and go, what's your wish? And I would have been like, fuck, I wish you'd fuck off. Nah. It'd be better if the genie was like the one from I'm Dreaming of Genie. I dream of her all night. Have a fucking wet dream. Wake up in a fucking sweat. Nah. Get it? A sweat, a wet dream. But she's hot as. That's the way, mate. Acceleration. It's impressive. Oh, remember when we were watching that movie? Fucking Top Gear 2? And you're like, impressive acceleration. You're having a moment. Oh, talk about impressive acceleration. Yeah. Rip it up. Just don't stack it. I didn't want to, I don't want to be an influencer that's taking influence on people that are being infected, influenza. I don't want to be a fucking flu. Flew in, fucking infected every cunt, flew back out again. It was like working at the mines. I was like, mate, we can't serve you in this pub. Why is that? He says, you're a miner. Yeah, what does that mean? I said, mate, you fucking work at the mines now, yeah? Yeah. I thought, well, don't serve miners here. Can't fucking buy a beer at the pub. Show us your ID. They show it to you. That's what it says here. That you're overage. Is this a fake ID? They're like, yeah. I mean, no. I am old enough. And they'd be like, nah, I can't tell with your fucking grey moustache and your fucking your mining clothes covered in soot. I'm pretty sure that you are underage. I'll be like, you have to fucking leave the premises and you're banned for 3 months. Barred. Boom. Smacked in the head with a fucking, I don't know, a fine. Fran Fine's pussy. Oh, she was just out in her ass. Wait, look. I got a shirt that says I love Fanny. Yeah, I bought it yesterday from the op shop. I did, didn't I? That's where I got this hat for a fucking 50 cents or $1 or something. I think she might have gave it to me for free. No one else wanted it. I was like, man, I'll be fucking on safari, king of the pirates or whatever the fuck. These guys are going to give, Chris, when these guys bully me, can you stick up for me, please? You're going to bully me. These guys are going to bully me because I'm so fucking... Don't do it, Dad. Don't say anything, Dad. I'll stop. But Dad, don't stick up for me, Dad. I'll smash them all. No, I'm not going. I'm just going to have a fucking laugh at them. Oi, I want to... Have you got a... I've been training there for a few years. Fucking manjitsu. Yeah, bro. I fucking learned how to do it. Fucking yeah! Nah, I'm just joking. It's a restaurant. We've ate there. We've got manjitsu feeds. Anyway, so since we've been king of the land pirates, we don't even have any ships. We've got friendships and that's it. Some of them are pretty dodgy. Alright? We want to get a yacht. These guys are in a bicycle gang. I don't know what percentage they're at, but I'm pretty sure, I'm 100% sure that they're riding a bicycle. A bicycle. Well, they're riding a bicycle. Say acycle. 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 I've seen so many wildlands in my time. It was like a fucking crime getting banned from the pub that I'm walking past. Because, actually, a year ago, Candy, remember? A year ago nearly, on my birthday, I won like $6,400 on Keno. And then I won in the pokies too, like a couple of thousand as well, like 500, like 2 500s. And then the next fucking day I went in there, they're like, oh, you're banned for life. I was like, what the fuck for? And look, this is the boss. It wasn't fucking there. He's obviously looked over. I thought, this guy's fucking wants some money. What the fuck? You can stop him from doing that again. So I'm a bit cold. It's Woolworths, the fresh food people. Gotta keep it fresh with it. Cold as ice. Fucking. Oh. What's up, mate? Yeah, good. It's not my birthday, but you wouldn't guess it. You live every day like it's your fucking day of birth. Everything's a new environment. I'm like, what is this? Mother's milk? I'm like, can I suck that out of other chicks' tits, mother? And she'd be like, oh, Bradley, that's disgusting. I'm like, maybe to you, mother, but I'm not a lesbian, you'd say. And then I'd say, well, I'm a male, so either am I. But if I was a female, about mother, I'd be sucking on them titties. But baby want milk. I am baby Bradley. Do you recognise me? Oh, look at this. Bradley, yeah. No, remember that chick? I had the host for her daughter, Bainsy? Yeah, Went out to her house and fucking kicked back.
Yeah.
She knew me when I was a baby. She just used to like waddle to the shops with your big diaper. My mum used to have like diapers that were just towels. No, wait, come on, man.
Yeah.
I've got a fucking big badonkadonk. You want to see this big ass? Bitches fucking probably hate it unless they see it in action. And if the bottle shop's shut, I just be like, well, that's what happens when you've got no fucking legs. You can't even walk on them because you've got to do a video diary all the way there. I wouldn't die. Hey, I hope the bloody shops are still open, like for the bottle shop. Like, we can care about this Woolies. Oh my God, the bottle shop's still open. Oh, I thought it was shut. I saw it shut and I started to pick up the pace for no reason. No, because I seen it so. Oi, I'm Loki, king of the pirates, and like we don't even drink rum, drink stout. This guy's coming straight for me. Ah! Oh, no, I can't see you now. Thanks anyway. Almost had a bloody, little claim there on my hand. That could have been an injury that I couldn't have. I don't think I ever would have recovered from that PTSD. Look at this beautiful little family. Hey guys. No, we're just going this way. Christopher. You can be my son. Come on, my son. No, just wait here for me. Alright, I'm going to sign off here, guys. Thought you'd be shut, but I googled it.
20 minutes.
Oh, I'll be bloody. I only need 2 minutes. Just like Waterworld, you got 2 hours. I only need 1. That's oh, mate. On Safari or on bloody King of the Pirates, the same. Yeah, that's the one. Except I ate a tough fruit, not a rubber. I'd be like, oh, that's a good music. Oh, yeah. Don't fight it. Just make a video diary and just don't hide it. You just got to ride it all night long. It's like a wave that you don't even have a boogie board. You don't know. Some futuristic like hoverboard, surfboard shit. Are you ready? Jedi powers, bro. Fuck, it's hot in here. Fucking cooler room is so hot, man. I am boiling to death. Shit, I've got to carry fucking 6 beers. I didn't even get a trolley. I'm such a dumb cunt. Hang on. How am I going to do this? Alright. No, I'm going to let this. Everyone's going to be a part of this. I need something to carry it. Didn't think. Because I was too busy focusing on the comedy for you pricks. I don't regret nothing, I love that. I don't regret it. I said I still had 2 million hours, or 20 minutes. No, it's going to take 20 seconds to walk back to a trolley or a basket. I'm a basket case. All night long. I need a basket, forgot. I've got to carry 6 bloody long necks, yeah. Hang on, I'll put this in me. I'll put this in anything so I can hold the basket.